Have you ever noticed how some people walk into a room and instantly command everyone's attention and respect? It's not magic, it's pure psychology. Today, we're revealing 7 powerful psychological tricks that will make people respect you the moment you speak. Stick around until the end, because number 7 is the ultimate game changer. Trick 1: the power of the pause. Stop rushing your words. When someone asks you a question, wait for 2 to 3 seconds before answering. This power pause shows that you are in control and you value your own words. Trick 2: stop over-apologizing. Stop saying sorry for things that aren't your fault. Instead of saying, "Sorry I'm late," say, "Thank you for waiting for me." This shifts the focus from your weakness to their patience. Trick 3: take up space. Avoid crossing your arms or huddling. Use open body language. When you claim your territory and sit or stand relaxed, you are subconsciously perceived as a leader. Trick 4: maintain strong eye contact. Maintain eye contact about 60 to 70% of the time. It shows you aren't intimidated. Looking someone directly in the eyes proves you are confident and attentive. Trick 5: speak slower. Fast talking is a sign of anxiety. By speaking slowly and clearly, you force the audience to follow your pace, which instantly increases your authority. Trick 6: the name effect. Address people by their names. It creates an immediate psychological bond. It shows you are attentive and makes them feel important. Trick 7: set your boundaries. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Set firm boundaries. Call out disrespect calmly but firmly. People respect those who know their worth. Which of these tricks are you going to use today? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Psychology Pulse USA. Thanks for watching.